Earlier this year, Samsung released the S23 series. Was it a revolutionary year for their flagship line of phone, or is it just a yearly update from the same old, same old? Thanks to my wife dropping her S10 Plus and cracking the screen, I got my chance to get my hands on one to test it out, and she took no time in testing how water resistant it was on our family camping trip. See how it did in the river, as well as some of the other features offered this year from Samsung in the S23 Plus. Before I tell you what we did and didn't like about this phone, let's go ahead and get on into the specs. It comes in 4 primary colors: Phantom Black, Cream, Green, and Lavender, with online exclusive colors of Graphite and Lime. It's the same in size as the S10 Plus, which is what the 23 Plus replaced for my wife, because the Ultra model would be a little too large for her hands. The outside is made of their Armor aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and has an IP68 rating of water and dust. And my wife actually took this thing for a swim recently while we were out camping, and it had no problem with it. After a few hours of the charging port getting to dry out, it had no issues whatsoever. The battery boasts 4,700 mAh, advertising 27 hours of video playback, so it should be more than capable of making it a whole day of normal use. It includes the usual satisfactory speakers Samsung usually supplies, but that's nothing out of the norm here. It does feature a 12 megapixel selfie camera on the front, while the back has a 10 megapixel telephoto camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 50 megapixel wide angle camera. It does support 3 times optical zoom and a digital zoom up to 30 times. It is available in 256 and 512 gigabytes and no longer includes the option of additional storage that we all wish Samsung would go back to. It features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and like all phones now, it comes with 5G connectivity, standard in all models. If you have an S Pen from a previous phone, I hate to say you're out of luck, as the 23 Plus is not compatible with it, unlike the S23 Ultra, which is. So, what did we think of this? What are our reactions and impressions of the phone so far? If you're looking for the same kind of features you're used to with Samsung's flagship phones, you're in luck and you're going to love having a fresh new phone. If, however, you're wanting something amazing and new, this year's is a little underwhelming. The S23 Plus has some features that are a little bit more innovative, but a lot of those are exclusive to the Ultra. The wide-angle lenses alone are such a huge difference, with the Plus getting a 50 megapixel camera and the Ultra getting a huge 200 megapixel camera. Now, that might not be a deal breaker for you. It might not be a big deal for you, but if you want the best cameras you can find, it might be worth it to you to splurge on the Ultra model. But that's all I've really got for you today, guys. I was just doing a down and dirty review, just real quick first impressions of what we thought during the first 6 months that the S23 Plus has been around. So, if you agree with me, if you disagree with me, please leave me a comment letting me know what you think one way or another. Please make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button for future videos. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel out a ton. And you may have noticed that I just started a new membership tab. There I'm going to put in some exclusives like drone footage. All the videos will be available earlier for members as opposed to non-members. And we're just going to grow this community. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Love ya. Bye.